Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Then this is search icon. Just enter the model number of motherboard B760 Gaming X and then hit enter. After that your motherboard search on the website. Then click on the product. You can see this is your motherboard. Just click on it. So you can see 1.0 and 1.1, you can see it, but driver same. Then click on support. After that select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. And first guys download. After that I show you installations, audio driver, SD audio driver, and click to download. After that you can see it start downloading. Then slow down. Chipset. So lot of driver you can see in the chipset, so you have to download first this one serial driver and download, then management driver, and this one download. In the chipset you have to do driver download, then LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can say. So Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Then VJ driver, graphic driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say, and click to download. After that you can see it is start. Click on start button, it starting download. So it will complete, then I show you how to install. You just click on this icon, will complete, then show you installations process. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, we can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click, and run as administrator. then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator, after that click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.